Hello guys, myself Saikiran Panchal. Today I am here to represent the presentation of derivatives of inverse hyperbolic function. First one, derivatives of y is equal to sin h inverse of x. Solution, y is equal to sin h inverse of x as given. If we take sin h inverse on other side, we get x is equal to sin h of y, giving this equation as 1. Differentiating this equation with respect to y, therefore we get dx by dy is equal to cos h of y. By reciprocaling this equation, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos h of y. We need sin h of y in place of cos h of y. For that, we have one formula, that is cos h square y minus sin h square y is equal to 1. If we take sin h square y on other side, we get cos h square y is equal to 1 plus sin h square of y. Taking square root on both the side, we get cos hy is equal to in root 1 plus sin h square of y. Putting this value in above equation in place of cos h of y, so we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by in root 1 plus sin h square of y. dy Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by in root 1 plus x square. Here x is came from equation 1. Answer of this equation is d sin inverse of x upon d of x is equal to 1 by in root 1 plus x square.